Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 10-gallon tank is probably one of the most rewarding and enriching experiences for both beginner and experienced aquarists. This video will cover everything you need to know about setting up your own 10-gallon aquarium, from choosing the right tank and filter to selecting the perfect fish and plants to create a thriving underwater ecosystem. We will explore essential equipment, maintenance tips, and creative design ideas to help you build a stunning and healthy habitat for your aquatic companions. Number 5. Marina LED 10-gallon Aquarium Kit. Start your aquatic journey with ease. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to create a thriving underwater world. It features a spacious 10-gallon glass aquarium, providing ample room for your fish and aquatic plants. It includes the Marina Slim S15 filter for crystal clear water. Enjoy the convenience of quick-change filter cartridges. Everything you need is included to get started. Simply add water, fish, and decorations. It's perfectly sized to fit in your home. With dimensions of 20L x 10W x 12.5 inches, it's easy to place anywhere. Bring the beauty of the underwater world into your home. Set up your aquarium today. What we like. It includes everything you need to start. Setting it up is a breeze, even for beginners. If you're on a budget and want a simple, functional aquarium, this is perfect for you. What people say. It was the tank kit that consistently showed up on internet reviews as one of the top tanks, especially for beginners. The filter is excellent and very quiet, the lighting is beautiful, and it's spacious digs for my son's betta fish. The light is sufficient for jungle vow, Cabomaba carolinana, and eubia, Java fern, Java moss, and my frogbit and water lettuce. I have rapid growth rates and multiply my plants every few days with the light that comes in the hood. Everything is solid quality, pump is super quiet and cleared the water of any cloudiness in less than 10 minutes. Everything was very simple to set up. Number 4. Tetra 10-gallon Aquarium Kit. Start your underwater adventure with this complete aquarium kit. It has everything you need to create a thriving habitat for your fish. This kit includes a glass aquarium, LED lighting, a filter, and even water conditioner and fish food samples. It's designed for easy setup and maintenance. It features energy-efficient LED lighting that provides a natural daylight effect, perfect for showcasing your aquatic friends and plants. The internal filter system uses mechanical and chemical filtration to keep the water clean and clear, removing debris, odors, and toxins. Setting up your new aquarium is a breeze. Everything you need is included, along with a helpful guide to get you started. This 10-gallon aquarium is the ideal size for beginners, measuring 20 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and 12 inches high. It's perfect for a small number of fish. What we like. This boasts a powerful filtration system that keeps your water crystal clear. The LED lights are energy-saving and create a natural look. If you prioritize water quality and a vibrant aquarium, this is the one for you. What people say. The LED light is particularly bright and the fully opening hood makes it easy to clean the glass. Arrived intact and without complications. All the parts were in working order and able to get the tank set up quickly and simply. It's been up and running for a few months and everything is functioning wonderfully. The tank is great. The light strip for me in the 29-gallon tank was a single and solid hard plastic strip and clips into the lid. It's fantastic. It does have a rocker switch to turn it on and off, but I just hooked it up to a Wi-Fi plug so I could set a schedule. Number 3. LAQUAL 10-gallon fish tank. It's made of low iron glass, so you get an ultra-clear view of your aquatic friends. Enjoy the most realistic and beautiful underwater scenery. The 5mm thick glass is strong and durable. The edges are smoothly finished with German whacker glue, creating a safe and cozy home for your pets. It comes with everything you need to get started, a feeding ring, cleaning tools, and even an anti-jumping cover. Keeping the water clean is simple with the included sponges, scraper, and siphon. This set makes fish keeping convenient and enjoyable. We're committed to your satisfaction. It comes with a 90-day return policy and a 1-year quality service guarantee. We'll even send replacements for any damaged parts. What we like. The ultra-clear glass offers stunning views of your aquatic life. It comes with all the tools you need for easy maintenance. If you appreciate high-quality materials and a comprehensive package, this is a great choice. What people say. The glass is very clear. It was and still is clear as day. There was no setup to speak of, really. I just slid it out of the box and it was ready to go for what I needed it for. Overall, great tank. Very sturdy glass, haven't had any problems. Number 2. GloFish 10-gallon aquarium kit. It's the perfect starter kit for your new aquarium. Everything you need is included, making setup a breeze. This kit contains a 10-gallon tank, LED lighting, a filter, water conditioner, fish food, and a helpful guide. You're all set to welcome your new fin friends. The unique LED lights beautifully showcase your GloFish and other tropical fish. They'll look their absolute best. The included filter keeps the water clean and clear, making maintenance simple and ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Customize it with colorful gravel, plants, and decor to create a stunning underwater world. Let your creativity shine. Measuring 20 by 10 by 12 inches, it's the ideal size for a variety of fish and fits perfectly in most spaces. What we like. The unique LED lighting makes your fish, especially GloFish, shine. It's a complete kit with all the essentials for a successful setup. If you want to showcase GloFish or other colorful fish, this is ideal. What people say. The tank is only 10 gallons but came with a heater and all kinds of things including water treatment and fish food. It arrived in great condition and had many starter items. It was easy to set up, and my betta fish, 2 African dwarf frogs, 6 neon tetras, and 2 ottos loved it. The size is reasonable. It comes with 4 decorations, a heater, a really good filter that makes the water flow nicely, a thing that you stick on that tells you the water temperature, and a black thing that you have to tape to the back of the tank to make it look nicer and to see the fish better, an OFC LED light that can turn white and blue and very bright. Number 1. Lifegard 10-gallon aquarium. See your fish in stunning clarity with this beautiful aquarium. It's designed to create a natural and healthy environment for your aquatic friends. The ultra-clear glass provides the clearest possible view of your underwater world. Enjoy the beauty of your aquarium like never before. It's built with German-engineered glue for a superior seal and an insulation pad to protect the base. This aquarium is made to last. With dimensions of 20.07 x 9.84 x 12.60, it's the ideal size for a variety of fish and plants. It holds 10 gallons of water. You'll receive a high-clarity glass tank and a black foam leveling mat. Everything you need to get started is included. Lifegard Aquatics offers a wide range of high-quality products for all your aquatic needs. From aquariums to lighting, we've got you covered. What we like. It provides an unparalleled view of your fish thanks to its crystal-clear glass. The high-quality construction ensures durability and longevity. If you value a premium look and superior build quality, this is for you. What people say. It is very well constructed. You can tell they paid attention to all the little details. Things like the silicone beads being exactly enough to hold the glass without ugly smears inside the tank. The tank looks very slick and I've had no problems with leakage. It came inside 2 boxes, both having styrofoam insulation protecting it. It was packaged very well and there's been 0 issues. It's a gorgeous tank for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.